data migration or integration. Sometimes we need to integrate other external sources into our application database, let's say OLTP or transactional application database. So in that case, we receive files like XML format or any other format from external sources or external applications, like for example, surveys information, application or company depends on other external parties, but they want to integrate that results into our applications. So in that case, we receive the external sources as XML files or JSON files or text files or database files like that. So here we will use SSIS package to integrate to map the source systems into our target, our application database or data warehouse. So this kind of data migration and data integration related tasks also we will see and we will work in real time. Integration, we can also say like two-way integration, like we will integrate some source data into our destination data. That means data gets updated in both the directions. So that type of data loading ETL task from both the sides we can say like integration. That's my perspective. So we can say integration like two-way loading. Okay. And data migration can be a new version upgrade or ETL changes or source changes, destination changes, all this comes into data migration. This is also a most common task in real time.